With Skuid models, you can leverage Salesforce's underlying data relationships to build interactive views that cross boundaries and use data you may not have been able to reach on a single page before. In this example, we have a list of parent accounts on the left and some aggregated data and list views on the right to show information about the child accounts and their corresponding opportunities. The user can quickly see information regarding all the data for an account, the parent account, the child account, and all of the child account's related records. Objects being too far away is no longer an issue. Let's take a quick look at how this is set up. As you can see, we have a few different models that drive different elements on the page. First, we have a model set up to query a list of our parent records, account list. We are identifying our parent accounts by using a condition to query accounts that don't have a parent identified. This model will be connected to our list component for users to browse parent accounts. Next, we have a model called account viewer that queries a single row. The single row queried by this model is identified by a condition. On page load, this condition will use the first row in our account list model. After that, the condition is being updated by the interactions on our list component. Our next model we name child accounts that queries the account object but only returns records where the parent ID lookup is equal to the account ID from our account viewer model. This displays all the child accounts that look up to the parent account that has been clicked on. In order to show the related opportunities for each of the child accounts, we add another model to the page, child accounts _ ops, and point it to the opportunity object. The condition for this model is similar to the child account condition, but with an important difference. This time, we want to bring back all the opportunity records where the account ID lookup is in the set of account IDs sitting in our child accounts model. This is how we bring in multiple account opportunity records on one page. To display these records, we have used the Skuid deck component. The deck iterates over records, giving you a card for each record dynamically. We associated our deck with our child accounts model so that it shows a card for each child account. We then placed a table inside the deck and pointed the table to the child accounts _ ops model. Once you place a Skuid data component, like a table, inside of a deck, you can configure the context properties of that component. This is how you establish context for each card that is displayed. For our demo, we are giving the opportunity table the context of only showing opportunities where the account ID lookup is equal to the row in context. In other words, for each unique child account card, the table of opportunities will only display opportunities that relate to that specific child account.